Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to remove product pricing on Shopify for request a code. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. If you want to integrate request a code option onto your products page, you can use an integration for code. So simply search in here for code, and once you're there, basically I'm going to be searching in here for code itself. So you will be able to see we have various different type of codes, and it's also going to be providing you for the hide price option. So once you install that, you can see we have login to see price and code price. So yeah, that's about it. You can easily use this feature, and I highly recommend this one since it has a solid rating and everything. So give it a try. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.